What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jet, and today we'll be talking about font pairings. In layouting, most layouts look best when at least two fonts are used to set text. Magazine spreads, book pages, flyers, websites, and other text-based designs will always benefit from a well-chosen font pairing. But if you've never paired fonts before, where to begin? This guide shows you 5 easy ways to create a fail-safe font combination every time and suggests appropriate ways to use each font pairing style. Watch till the end of this video to find your font dream team. These 5 font pairings are based on using one font for the headline, that's the main title of your page, and another font for the body text or the longer paragraphs which make up the bulk of content on your page. If you want to, you can also add subheadings or pull out quotes. Setting text in an italic way is always a wise move, or try using a bold or condensed version of your body text font to add contrast while keeping the typography looking polished. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post one of these videos. Also, I have launched my Patreon page. It's got a lot of printables like planners, journals, stickers, Lightroom presets, calendars, trackers, and so much more, including the ones in my videos. You can get access to all of this stuff by becoming a patron. Link is in the description. Okay, so let's go check out those fonts. Number 1, sans serif headline and serif body text. This is the most common font pairing style designers will use when they want to make their typography look instantly more polished and professional. Why does this font pairing work so well? Firstly, the pairing has high contrast, which creates interest and stimulates the eye. Secondly, this pairing feels at once both classic and contemporary, which makes it suitable for all sorts of layouts. Finally, bookish serifs tend to be easy to read, while sans serifs add a more modern, sophisticated flourish, making it a pairing that's both functional and stylish. Within this font pairing style, you'll find that certain sans serifs look better teamed with particular serifs. A good starting point is to decide on a headline sans serif that you really love and then rotate the serif body text through several options until you find a font that looks right. One favorite font pairings is headline set in Bebas New with body text set in Caslon. A subheading set in Adobe Caslon Pro Italic adds the perfect finishing touch. Number 2 is the headline and body text fonts from the same font family. Most fonts belong to a typeface family or a group of fonts which vary in weight, example the bold, italic, book, etc., but ultimately have the same base design. A family may also include more stylized variations of the original Roman weight, such as condensed, outline, and expanded. Some font families contain a few as 3 fonts, while others might extend to include dozens of fonts. These larger font families are known as superfamilies. Pairing 2 fonts taken from either the same family or superfamily is a quick route to creating a design that feels pulled together and elegant. The success of this sort of pairing rests on the shared similarities between the chosen fonts rather than contrast, which has a calming effect on the eye. For layouts which require a more traditional, formal, or conservative style, this sort of font pairing is the perfect choice. That's not to say that sourcing 2 fonts from the same family needs to be dull. In fact, the vast range of font styles you can track down within a superfamily can give you plenty of variation to keep your design looking playful. The combination of a Roboto slab headline with Roboto body text looks really nice. These fonts have very different weights but share the same rounded geometric form. Number 3, headline and body text fonts which share the same mood. All fonts have a personality, whether it is the bouncy optimism of a rounded sans serif or the serious conservatism of a traditional serif. Each font brings its own personality to a design, helping to give the whole layout a certain mood or vibe. Professional typographers call this evasive sense of mood that a group of fonts share a subcategory. Some serif fonts, such as Bembo and Garamond, fall into the old-style subcategory, with these fonts tending to have an old-fashioned, dignified personality. These work well paired with Humanist sans serifs like Frutiger and Gill Sans because these two have an old-fashioned serious mood. Here, a Garamond headline and subheading makes a great team alongside Gill Sans body text. Transitional serifs have a more modern mood than old-style typefaces, which makes them a suitable pairing for geometric or rounded sans serifs like Futura and Avenir. Here, a headline set in Mrs. Eves is stylishly offset by Futura body text. Modern serifs such as Didot and Bodoni have a classic elegance but feel more fun and fashionable than their old-style relatives. Because they are more contemporary in style, they team best with geometric sans serifs. In this example, Bodoni and Open Sans make for an elegant font pairing. Number 4, display headline and Humanist or Transitional body text. You don't always need to rely on blowing your headline up to large size to make an impact. Display or headline fonts are specially designed to make text really shout for attention. These heavily stylized or chunky display fonts, such as FF Scala and XR, look fantastic paired with Humanist or Transitional body text, whether in serif or sans serif styles. If you're putting together a more design-forward layout which needs to grab a viewer's attention, such as a poster or magazine cover, this font pairing won't fail to turn heads, and it looks super stylish too. Here, a headline set in Scala Sans Black is the perfect foil to the simple charms of Gentium Basic. Number 5, round sans serif headline and old-style serif body text. Rounded fonts are youthful and used alone give an almost childlike quality to a design. Pairing a rounded sans serif headline like Woodford Bourne or Quicksand with more traditional serif body text exaggerates further the contrast that we looked at with the serif sans serif font pairing at the start. This is a more space-age version of that pairing rule, giving layouts a futuristic spin that feels clean and cutting edge. In this example, the exaggerated tracking of Quicksand as the headline makes the ultimate contrast with neat and pulled-together Garamond. So there you go, and don't get overwhelmed by all these fonts. Just try matching one font with another and see if they match perfectly. So did you find this video helpful? Please share your comments below. I love reading comments and replying to them. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share this on social media. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and gives me reasons to keep making these videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!